Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unlink accounts on Onlyfans. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type onlyfans.com and hit on login right now. As you can see, I have already logged in. If you have not, do log in right now. Now what I want to do to unlink my account is simply go to the setting. You can do that by clicking on the More button. A pop-up will open. From here, let's go to Settings. Now this is my profile settings. Now what I want to do is simply go to this account settings that I will find right below profile. And right here are my linked accounts. Let's simply click on the Twitter account and disconnect. Again, similar for the Google account and disconnect. Well guys, that's how you unlink accounts from OnlyFans. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.